Preview.
Hi guys, welcome back to the street with Oma. How are you guys doing? How did your weekend go? How was your Easter break? I know everybody enjoyed their Easter because we all went out. Like me, I went out and I had a lot of fun. Yeah, guys. So what's something that's been going on since like last 2 weeks Thursday, and it's about the outreach of Nigerian doctors who went on strike over pay. Government decided not to pay them for 2 to 3 months, like 2 to 3 months salary, and they are really complaining about it because what is the excess of working when you're not paying me? So I wouldn't work too if I was the doctor, but it's not right because they need to pay the doctor. So they went on indefinite strike. I mean the doctors, they went on indefinite strikes, leaving patients stranded, and those that are not even feeling too good cannot even go to the hospital because they know that there's no doctor to attend to them. I mean, when I mean doctors went on strike, I mean the public hospitals, not private, because nothing concerns private people. They're always getting their own cash, their cool cash and their salary though. So let's move to the street because we went to the street to ask someone, yeah, what he feels about this strike, if it has affected the society or the community. So let's go check it out. See you guys later.
It shows we have an irresponsible leadership, because a lot of people don't have health care. They don't have access to health care. And the local governments have been crippled because they can't perform their function again. So this present crop of leadership and the ones in the past, from 1999 till date, they've all failed us. It's a pity that doctors have to go on strike because it's going to affect a lot of people. People will fall sick, they will need medical care. If they don't get it promptly, it may end up in death. And yet our officials are flying out of the country to go for nonsense checkups and what else again? Whatever are they going to do over there? So I don't know. I know that they are busy stealing money, although I don't have evidence for that. We all know that they feed fat on the nation's wealth, and instead of setting up hospitals, that nothing is being done.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I hope you guys didn't touch that down. So you heard what this man said, and I hope you guys learned from it because he actually spoke everything that is in my own mind. Because if I pour out what is in my mind, man, our government will be crying right now. And I actually spoke my mind, and I know he spoke you guys' mind, and you learned from it. So he actually talked about responsibility, like the government should be responsible for their work. You can't expect another person to come and do your work. This is your work. You're supposed to pay these people. They are working for you. You can't allow people to work for you and don't pay them. And he made mention of them going to outside the countries because I feel like they are not bothered about this, because they go outside the country to take care of themselves and their family instead of the government to provide enough facilities for the doctors and for the hospitals, like building more hospitals and bringing more facilities to take care of patients. But they go outside to take care of their family and their self, leaving us that are here to die in our own father's land. Like, is that possible? Like, seriously. But seriously, man, they need to do something. They need to do what is necessary. They need to pay these people, because let me tell you something. Doctors in this country are very, very important. Because of this strike, it can aggregate like more pains and more issues like your medical health. Yeah, because doctors are not going to like attend to you, and when you are sick, you can't do anything. And you know how public hospital works. Even when they are not on strike, before one doctor will come and see you, you have to sweat and beg and walk all around. So now that their doctors are even now on strike, nobody will attend to you. If you like beg for money tonight, nobody will attend to you. So the government needs to do something. They need to pay these doctors. There are two important people that they are supposed to like help in this country, like the doctors and teachers. Teachers, they teach your students or your children in school. If you don't pay them, because I remember there was a time that teachers went on strike because they didn't pay them. So I don't know where they are getting this. They have this money. Spend this money. Spend the money you have and give it to the people that are working for you. You don't pay your teachers, the teachers that are teaching people to learn, and you expect them, and you expect the children to learn, you need to do that, and you need to pay the doctors, because doctors are here to help us. Like those that cannot go to private hospital, where do you expect them to go to? Those that cannot afford the bills of private hospital, where do you expect them to go to? They have to go to the government hospital, and now they are on strike because you can't pay. So please, government, you need to do what is right and save lives, because I feel like this your people life are more important than any other thing. You need to feel for people. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys learned from it, and I hope you guys are going to comment down there so that the world can see this, and like, share, follow, subscribe, do everything you want to do. I still remain your girl Oma Sajiri. Thank you for watching The Street with Oma.